everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay, so you're welcome back to today's video. All right guys, so if you're new, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and you're highly welcome for the newcomers. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing ingredient that helps you to get fat. Now for those people who are wanting to add up some fat here and there in their body, this is actually going to help you to gain weight, like literally gain good weight on some good parts. All right, so this is an amazing ingredient and it's actually very healthy also, so it's not going to give you some bad fat. Okay, so not that there are bad fats, but the thing is that those fats are deposited at the wrong places in which we don't want, so that is when we call them bad fats. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. All right, so do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and let's go. As much as some people want to lose weight, some want to gain, and gaining weight is actually better for you to gain weight at the right places, which is your whole body exception of your tummy and your hand, yeah, and equally your back. If you do not gain weight on that part, that means you are gaining a healthy weight, and I'm actually going to be showing you a healthy way of gaining a healthy weight. Now the first ingredient, we are going to be needing banana. Okay, and in this banana you can take as much as you have, or as much as you want. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be taking just 2 fingers of banana, and I'm going to peel the banana into a blender. Okay guys, so the next one, which is actually very important for this, is oats. Now you have to get oatmeal, and oatmeal helps to fill your stomach as well as helping you plus banana to gain that healthy weight, and it helps unnecessary fat go off your body, especially your tummy area. Okay, so we're equally going to be scooping. Now in this oatmeal, you don't need to put too much of it, just a 3 tablespoons of the oatmeal is going to be perfect, yeah, so that it won't be too thick while you want to drink it. Okay, so you'll be needing yogurt. And in this yogurt, if you can actually get the yogurt that contains fura, I don't know if you know yogurt that has fura, but of course it is actually great for this fat remedy. Okay, it helps you to maintain your body, thereby not making you unnecessarily fat. Okay, so yogurt that contains fura is perfect, and we're not going to be needing much too. So everything you take, you have to consider taking it in moderation, so that you would have that fat deposited at the right places only. The next ingredient is your hot milk. Now you have to make sure that your milk is actually warm, yeah, in that way it's actually going to activate other ingredients to deposit that fat, mostly at your back side and equally your front side. Yeah, so I'm going to be putting in milk. Now all of these things you can actually put them in moderation, however you actually want to have them, like drink them. Okay, you can just mix them up and then you drink them. You are gonna be fine, guys. Okay, so the next ingredient is this, and this is tomato. Okay guys, so this is actually optional, but it is actually very important you put it in, yeah, because it's actually going to help you to smoothen your skin from the inside out. Yeah, so what we're going to do first of all is to wash. So what we're going to do now, we'll have to also cut the tomato. It won't be ideal for us to just drop a full tomato into a blender, except your blender is actually super duper strong. You can do that, there won't be any problem. Okay, alright guys, so now we turn the tomato into alright. So after that is done, the next thing you're gonna do is to make sure to blend this. So you have to blend it really smooth so you don't experience any particles or whatsoever. Okay, and my fat smoothie is ready. For you to gain the healthy fat, healthy weight, so this is it. And now you have to be turning that into a cup. Yep, I have this remaining, and trust me guys, your fat drink is ready for consumption, ready to be taken. Now if you actually take this at least once in a day, either in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening, it is actually preferably you take it either in the morning in an empty stomach or in the evening before you retire to bed, and you're good. You are going to be loving your body, guys. It is not only going to make you get fat from the outside, it also going to glow your body from the inside out. Okay, when you're healthy, your skin will pop. So if you actually take this at least every day, you're gonna be loving it and your result is going to be visible. So do not take this just 1 week and say, oh, it didn't work. It's actually a food. It's a smoothie that is going to be perfect when you take it every day. Yeah, so put this as part of your meal for a day and you're good to go. So you can actually blend it and store it. Okay, as long as it doesn't go bad, it's perfect. So that's it guys, go gain weight, go look beautiful, go look plump, and gain those weights at those good places. Okay, so that's it. If you enjoy watching this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys, and love you.